Booyah! What's up, Mamalita?
What's up?
What's going on? What are you doing?
Look at some pictures.
Pictures for what?
Today,
You got any jokes?
Jokes?
Yeah, jokes. You got any jokes?
Oh yeah,
Tell me a story.
I have a joke.
Okay, what's your joke?
This was in the Philippines.
Yeah.
She went and ride on a bus.
She rode on the yeah.
When she got in, everything was full. So this guy offered her to sit on his lap. So the girl asking him, "Oh, you work as a mechanic?" How do you know? No, first. She asked the girl first.
Yeah.
I forgot. Oh,
Oh,
the guy asked the girl.
yeah, that's the girl.
Oh, you must be a work as a manicurist. They said, yeah. How do you know? I can tell your hand, your finger. When she asked him, said, "Oh, you must be a mechanic." How's that go now? And then the guy said, "Oh, how do you know?" Because your jack went up.
Her jack went up! Oh man, that's funny. I'm gonna tell that to my friends.
You get it?
Yeah.
You
Man,
can see what's sitting on his lap.
that must be a big jack. What, you got another joke, Mom?
Oh yeah.
Like those short jokes?
Okay, this two Japanese guys just newly arrived in America.
Yeah. Two Japanese guys.
So they were driving on the freeway. So this guy was driving and it was foggy. You know, foggy.
He was foggy?
And so the driver said, "Too much fuck, no can see."
Too much fucking can see!
H-A-P-P-Y, B-R-T-H-D-A-Y.